Hi! In front of me is an Android 13 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to access Photos app. Then hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of, in my case this one, and click on this dot at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, all of my pictures were successfully selected. If you want to delete them, just click on Delete at the bottom next to the shopping cart and confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!